Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are very healthy and fine. I am Gurmeet Singh, your English teacher, and in today's video, we are going to learn about active and passive. Active, passive. Okay, my dear students, one thing that is very important before learning active and passive, that you need to know about all the rules of active sentences. For now, I am going to give you the rules and also the examples about present, indefinite, tense. Okay, this is one second, active rule, and this is passive rule. Okay, first of all, the affirmative. In the affirmative, we have subject, then verb first, s or es, plus we have object. Here is one example. He goes to school. Now the passive. In the passive, object comes on the place of subject and subject replaces its place to objective. So here we use object. Then we use is, am, are. Then we use verb third. Then we use preposition by in almost 90% cases, and then we use subject. For example, in this sentence we have object school. School is a singular, so we use is, school is. Then we use verb third. So go, went, gone, gone. Then we use preposition by, and then subject. Subject is he, and he change into an object and becomes him. School is gone by him. So this is the first. Now we will discuss about the negative. Negative, we use subject, we use do or does, then we use not, then we use verb third and object. And in this we use object, then we use is, mr, then negation, then verb third, preposition by, as we discussed that almost in a 90 or to 95% cases we always use preposition by, and then we use subject. For example, we will take the same example. He does not go to school. So school is not gone by him. School is not gone by him. He does not go to school. This is an active sentence. This is passive sentence. Okay, now we move to the third interrogative, and in the interrogative sentence we use do, does before the subject, then we use subject, then we use verb first and object, and we end the sentence with a question mark. For example, same example, does he go to school? So how we can change into a passive sentence? That we use is MR before the subject. So what will be the subject of the passive? The object of the active sentence. So here we write object. Object does not means we need to use object in a passive. Object means the object of active sentence. Object, and then we use verb third, then we use by, then we use subject, and then ended the sentence with question mark. For example, is school gone by him? Is school gone by him? Question mark. So this is the simplest way to learn active and passive. And now the last one, when we use interrogative, interrogative or interrogative, we have two pronunciations, interrogative plus negative. We use do, does, then we use subject, then we use negation, then we use verb first, and we end second last object, and we end the sentence with question mark. For example, the same example, does he not go to school? Here we use is MR, then we use object of the active sentence, then we use the negation, verb third, we always use verb third in a passive sentence, then preposition by, then subject, and we end the sentence with question mark. So is school not gone by him? Is school not gone by him? This is active sentence, this is passive sentence. Okay, my dear students, that's all for this video, and in the next video we will cover the next topics, for example the past indefinite or the future indefinite. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.